How to create Steam account in mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then search for Steam. Then click on create a Steam account from the given results, and you will be brought to this page right here in which you will need to enter your email. I'm just going to enter a random one. Then we need to re-enter it, so I'm just going to paste it here. Choose your country, check the CAPTCHA, then check this box and click on continue. Now as you can see, it tells you that it has sent a verification email to your address, so let's go ahead and verify it. Let's go ahead and open up Gmail, refresh this page right here, and we have it, this one right here. So click verify my email address. As you can see, it tells you that the email has been verified, and it tells you to go back to the account creation page that we were just on, this one right here. As you can see, it has been refreshed. So let's pick a name here. Going to choose a random one, a password, my account 2023. It's a random one, my 2023. You need to confirm the password, and then once you're done, click on done, and you should be good to go, and your account has just been created. As you can see, you are on your new Steam account. It's actually very easy and simple process, and as you can see here, this is your account with your name and email and everything. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can create Steam account on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.